Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Day Everyday channel. Today I have to replace a USB-A port and I want to show you how to do that. So here is our motherboard. As you can see, the USB port is totally damaged. Okay, so here we have CFast slot, power supply slot and power supply signal slot. So I don't want to damage these three slots, so I don't want to use the hot air station. I think I will use the traditional soldering iron to remove the slot and to put here a new one. We will see. Okay, now you should be able to see the USB port. Okay, so first of all I will add the flux here. Okay, and next okay, I will use my soldering iron from Aliantec. It looks like that. I will use 350 Celsius. We will see how it works. Okay, now I will add the low temperature tin. It should help us to remove the socket. I think we need more tin here. Okay. I think we have to connect all these pins together, and in that case it should be easy to remove the slot. I think I need more tin here. Okay, I will try to remove the slot right now. It's still not possible. I will add more tin here. Oh, okay. Okay, it's done. You can see the old slot here. Okay, so now we have to clean these openings. So first of all I will add the flux here, and I will use the solder wick to remove the old tin. Okay, let me try to do that. Okay, these two big openings are totally clean, but we still have problem with small openings, so I will add more flux here. And I think I need more solder wick. Okay, this one is okay. I think this one is okay. This one is okay. And this one is not okay. So one left. I hope only one. I will add tin here. Sometimes the low temperature tin is like a magic. And one more time. I'm not sure if it's okay. I will check the motherboard from the other side. Seems it's okay. Okay. Let me clean it up. Seems it's okay. Let me check one more time. Okay. Okay. And the last one. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it is a service USB, so it's very important because this is an industrial motherboard. It's very expensive, so this is the reason why we have to repair that. I think it costs around 1000 euros, so it's very expensive. Okay. I have to secure that because I don't want to move the board. Okay, screw in. Okay. Seems it's okay. Now we can clean up the second side. Okay, looks better. Where is the new USB slot? Okay, so here I have a new one. Let me put it in. It should fit here. Okay. Okay, so now we can just solder it. Maybe first of all I will solder these two big pins. So flux and tin. Okay, first one is done. Now it's time for the second one. Okay, and now it's time for signal pins. So maybe I will add the flux here and try to solder all pins together using the soldering iron. Let me check that. Okay, more tin, I think. Okay. More flux and more tin. Now we can just check all pins one by one. Okay, looks like it's done. Let me clean it up. Okay, it looks nice. Let me check the second side. Okay, the second side looks good as well. Okay, as we can see, all three sockets, I mean this one, and this one, are totally okay. So guys, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. I hope we will see soon. So thank you for today. See you. Bye bye.